Good morning, all of you. How are you? I hope you all are superb. I am Priyanka. Welcome to all on online EVS class at home. Today we are going to cover day 14 of Unit 3 Rocks and Minerals. We have learnt a lot about the three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. तीनों के बारे में हमने बिल्कुल अच्छे से पढ़ा. Let us learn one more interesting thing about rocks today. Okay? Today we are going to start our next topic, and that is rock cycle. Okay? What do you see in the picture? Yes, formation of day and night. Day, night, day, night, day, night. What it is? Cycle. Okay? This is the day and night cycle. It is day after night and then again it is day, and this cycle keeps on repeating. बार बार होता है ना, दिन रात. Okay? What do you see in the picture? Water cycle. In the water cycle, first of all, water evaporates to become vapor. Okay? After that, vapor condenses to become clouds, and clouds precipitate to fall as rain, drop by drop. Okay? And rainwater collects as surface or surface water. Understand? You can see in the picture, first of all, evaporation process takes place, then condensation means formation of clouds, then precipitation means rain जब आती है तो that is precipitation. Okay? After that, rainwater collects on the surface and we will call it surface water. Okay? So it is also continuous cycle. Again water evaporates, condense, and then precipitation, and after that surface water. So what it is? It is again a continuous cycle. Like the water cycle and day and night cycle, one more cycle is there. And what is that? That is rock cycle. Okay? Like these cycles in nature, we observe one more cycle, the rock cycle. But this cycle is very slow and very hard to notice. Okay? But water cycle and formation of day and night cycle is fast process, क्योंकि 24 hours में वो दोबारा से repeat हो जाती है ना. Yes. It takes millions of years for a rock to complete the cycle. Rock cycle की formation में millions of years लग जाते हैं. Got it? Now see. First of all, igneous rocks formation takes place, and after that sedimentary rocks, and at last metamorphic rocks formation takes place. But why do you think rocks change their form? Rocks are also constantly changing their form. Yes, change करते रहते हैं. These are the two reasons behind it. Okay? Rocks change their form due to two reasons. First reason, high temperature and pressure inside the earth. High temperature and pressure inside the earth. And weathering and erosion due to wind and water on the surface of the earth. First one, inside the earth. Temperature and pressure. Okay? And second thing, weathering of rocks. Weathering of rocks and erosion due to wind and water on the surface of the earth. Okay? Now you can see how does the formation of rock cycle takes place. First of all, when magma cools, it forms igneous rocks. You can see in the picture, first of all magma cools down, then the igneous rock formation takes place. After the formation of igneous rocks, weathering and erosion takes place on the surface of the earth due to wind and water, and so that's why sediments pile up. Okay, sediments इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, and when pressure acts on it, then they form sedimentary rock. Igneous rocks get eroded due to weathering by wind and water to form sediments. What are sediments? Fragments of rocks. Okay. After the formation of sediments settling down under pressure, then the formation of sedimentary rock. These sediments settle down and are pressure under more layers to form sedimentary rocks. Means जब sediments बन जाते हैं, ठीक है, तो sediments के ऊपर जब हमारा pressure पड़ता है, when pressure acts on the sediments, then the formation of sedimentary rocks takes place. After the formation of sedimentary rocks, when heat and pressure acts on the rock, then the metamorphic rocks formation takes place. Sedimentary rocks under heat and pressure form the metamorphic rock. Okay. After the formation of metamorphic rocks, when the metamorphic rocks melt to form magma again, thereby restarting the rock cycle. Okay, metamorphic rock जब दोबारा से melt हो जाती हैं और फिर वो again magma में convert हो जाती हैं, then the formation of igneous rocks again takes place. Now see the rock cycle. First of all, when the magma cools down, then the formation of igneous rocks takes place, and when weathering and erosion happens on the surface of the earth, then the formation of sediments takes place. When sediments settling down under pressure, then the formation of sedimentary rocks takes place, and when heat and pressure acts on the sedimentary rocks, then the formation of metamorphic rocks takes place. And if again metamorphic rocks melt, then formation of magma takes place. और जब मैग्मा बनता है, मैग्मा जब ठंडा होता है तो again igneous rocks takes place. So what it is a continuous cycle, but it is very slow process. Okay, it takes millions of years. Understand? Now you will tell me, why do we call it rock cycle? हम इसको rock cycle क्यों बोलते हैं? It is called the rock cycle because the change of one rock into another repeats itself. Okay? And can we see the rock cycle? No. It is very slow and hard to notice. So that's why we can't see it, like the formation of day and night and water cycle, we can't see it. Okay? Now you will open your student reader. SR8 you will open. We will read about the rock cycle. The rock cycle, a lot of things we observe in nature follow cycles, meaning they keep repeating themselves, means continuous, जो अपने आप को बार बार रिपीट करता रहता है. ओके, डे इज फॉलोड बाय नाइट, फॉलोड बाय डे अगेन, मीन्स पहले दिन होता है, फिर रात होती है, फिर दिन होता है, फिर रात होता है. ठीक है, सो दैट्स वाई व्हाट इट इज अ कंटिन्यूस साइकिल. सीजन्स लाइक विंटर, समर एंड मॉनसून रिपीट एवरी ईयर वन आफ्टर द अदर. ऐसे ही सीजन्स की फॉर्मेशन होती है रोटेशन में. ठीक है, वाटर इवेपोरेट्स टू बिकम वेपर, वाटर से क्या बनता है, वाटर वेपर, एंड विच कंडेंसेस टू बिकम क्लाउड्स, और जब वो वाटर वेपर ठंडे होते हैं तो क्या बन जाते हैं, क्लाउड्स बन जाते हैं. अगेन वाटर की फॉर्म में आ जाता है वाटर वेपर. ओके, क्लाउड्स प्रेसिपिटेट टू फॉल एज रेन, और फिर जो क्लाउड्स जब हैवी हो जाते हैं तो रेन की फॉर्म में आ जाता है वाटर फिर से अगेन ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. रेन वाटर कलेक्ट्स एज ओशियंस. रेन वाटर अब किस में कलेक्ट हो जाता है? ओशियंस में. एंड सीज फ्रॉम वेयर इट अगेन्स इवापोरेट्स. एंड दिस इज द वाटर साइकिल. Rocks are also constantly changing from igneous to sedimentary and sedimentary to metamorphic rocks. This is called the rock cycle. But this cycle is very slow and very hard to notice. We might see a rock in a certain form today, but it has taken millions of years to reach this stage, and it left alone in another millions years. Okay, it might change its form again. Rocks change their form in the rock cycle because of two factors. First one, high temperature, and second one, pressure inside the earth surface. Okay, make rocks change their form and structure. Means heat and temperature, two factors acts on the rock. On the surface of the earth, weathering and erosion due to wind, water and other factors change the form and structure of the rocks. Inside the earth surface, two factors work. First one, heat, and second one, pressure. And outside the earth surface, again two factors work. First one, erosion. Erosion किसकी वजह से होता है? Wind and water and weathering. Okay, I hope you understand. Now you will tell me what happens to the igneous rocks. Yes, weathering and erosion. What do you think came first, igneous rock or metamorphic rock? Very good, igneous rock. Igneous rock, they are the oldest in the world. Without them, cycle would not start. Okay, now you will open your worksheet number 9 and you will do question number 3. I am giving you 3 minutes to complete it. After 3 minutes, we will discuss the answer. I hope you have done. Now let's discuss the answer. The rocks and mountains around us are always there. Why cannot we see them changing if the rock cycle is true? We can't see rocks and mountains around us changing constantly from igneous to sedimentary and sedimentary to metamorphic rocks. This is because these changes are very slow, बहुत धीरे धीरे होते हैं, and hard to see. We might see a rock in a certain form, but to reach to the stage, it must have taken a million years. If left alone in another million years, it might change its form again. Okay, now you will open your worksheet number 10. It looks like this, and you will draw steps of the water cycle and the rock cycle and write the similarities and differences between both the cycles at each step. Now you can see from the pictures water cycle and rock cycle. Now you will find out the similarities and differences between the water cycle and rock cycle. I am giving you 2 minutes. After that you will fill in the table. I hope you have done. Now let's discuss the answer. Water cycle steps. First one step is evaporation, water to water vapor, then condensation, water vapor to water droplets, precipitation, water droplets clouds become heavy and fall as rain. Rainwater collects into the ocean or goes under the ground. Now the steps of rock cycle. First of all, magma cools down to form igneous rocks, then igneous rock to sedimentary rock due to weathering and erosion, and in next step sedimentary to metamorphic rock due to heat and pressure, and metamorphic rocks melt to become magma again. I hope you understand. Now we will see the similarities and differences between the water cycle and the rock cycle. First of all, similarities. Both are cyclic in nature, rock cycle as well as water cycle. Heat changes form in both cycles. And third, in water cycle, water droplets combine to form rain, and in the rock cycle, rocks are combined under heat and pressure. And both are the natural processes. These are the similarities जो बिल्कुल इक्वल होते हैं, दोनों में सेम होते हैं. Now the differences. Particles combine to form water in water cycle, and particles combine to form rock in the rock cycle. वाटर साइकिल स्टार्ट्स एंड एंड्स विद वाटर. वाटर साइकिल वाटर से स्टार्ट होती है, वाटर से ही एंड होती है. बट रॉक साइकिल स्टार्ट्स एंड एंड्स विद मैग्मा. मैग्मा से शुरू होती है और मैग्मा पे ही स्टॉप होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, वाटर चेंजेस इनटू वेपर, लिक्विड इनटू गैस. इन वाटर cycle and magma changes to igneous rock, liquid changes to solid. In the rock cycle, rock cycle takes a longer time than the water cycle. We can see the changes in the water cycle, but for rock cycle, as it takes a long time, so we cannot see the changes. Okay, I hope you understand. Today we discussed about the rock cycle and how different rocks get created at the different stages. This is a very slow cycle but keeps on happening continuously on the surface of the earth. Now let's discuss the homework. You will do question number 1 and question number 2 from worksheet 9. Okay, bye. Happy learning.